Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this 2-in-1 walking pad slash treadmill, and this was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out today. Now the reason it is a 2-in-1 is, in the current position that we have now, it is in the treadmill position. This thing pops up and it goes up to 7.6 miles an hour. That's a pretty good clip. Now, if you don't want that, and you want to be able to store it easily, this also does fold down, and then it's your walking pad. Max speed on that is going to be 4 miles an hour, and then it goes as slow as 0.6 miles an hour. So you can go at a super leisurely pace, you can bump it up, or you can get a full-on jog at that 7.5 miles an hour. That's a pretty good clip right there. So it's pretty nice. Comes with a remote right here for you to use whenever this is in the down position. You have some controls up here that you can utilize, and then you can also use this at the same time with this. But you have your speed, you have an automatic 2, 4, and 6 mile an hour on here, your stop, as well as a pause. You also get the little safety thing right here. As you saw right there, boom, stops really fast as soon as that is removed. And then you put it back on there and it does really well. The other side clips to you right there, just a little clip. So we'll keep that on right here. And then, like I said, the remote, pretty much the same thing. You've got a plus and a minus, a 4 mile, a 2 mile, memory and a play just to get this started, and a pause on there as well. Now down here at the bottom, you're gonna have some things that cycle through. You're gonna have speed, you're gonna have time, you're gonna have distance, you're also gonna have steps, and I believe the last one here is your calories. So it'll keep track of all of those down there, and then you can easily glance down and see those. So let's go ahead and check out the walking pad here now. So we'll remove the little safety thing here because you don't use it whenever you're using the walking pad. Set it to the side. You have a nice little thing right here that you can use to put your phone on or whatever, and it is just pop off and on like that. So whenever you fold this down, you'll want to remove this just so you don't snap it off or anything like that. And then right down here we have a little lever. We just pull on it and this folds down, and then it also locks down as well, just like it did whenever it was up, it was locked. And then, like I said, you use this as a walking pad, and it's pretty much exactly the same as we did whenever we were in the treadmill position, but this one goes a little bit slower. Obviously you don't have the handrails up here, so you don't want to be going 7.6 miles an hour. Gets a little hard to do that if you don't have something here to grab onto. Plus you wouldn't have the safety tether either. So we'll go ahead and push start on this, and then gives us a countdown. 3, 2, 1, starts off at that nice leisurely 0.6 miles an hour. And then from there, you can bump it up. 2 miles an hour is a decent, walk. So, I mean, this is, like a normal walk right here. And then you can bump it up a little bit faster, 3 miles an hour, and then all the way up to the 4, which this is like a nice little speed walk. That's why it's the walking pad. And then same thing here, we'll stop it. So we just hit the stop button on there and it stops. Now, along with this, you are also going to get a little tool here for maintenance, some oil for maintenance, and of course, your instruction guide. So overall, that's pretty much everything that you get with this. I've been using this for about a week now, off and on. I really like it. Super easy to store and stuff. It does have some wheels right up here up front. Also does have a little power button up front, so you can turn it off so that kids or your animals don't jump right on it. And then you can easily unplug it. Boom, right there. Comes with a 3-prong plug on here. So you do need to have an outlet that does ground it. And then as far as moving this around, super easy to do. Like I said, it has those wheels up there. Look at that. Super easy to do. Like very little strength at all. So you don't have to worry about, not having any upper body strength trying to move this around and stuff, it's really simple to do. So overall, I really like it. I'm gonna have to give it a big thumbs up. So go ahead and check this one out.